Yeah. We are recording. We have sound. So guys, grab your meat, grab a beer, and let's get cooking. We're making baby back ribs in the oven. Yeah. First thing you're going to want to do is take your meat out of the package. Duh. Rinse it off in some cold water and pat it dry with some paper towels. Next, we need to remove this nasty membrane on the back. To do that, just grab a spoon and kind of root around in there until you get a nice little ledge where you can lift up. So you'll know when you got it. All right, best way to do this is grab a paper towel and use that to pull back the membrane. That is a nasty word. So grab it, pull, and if you're lucky, you'll get it all in one shot. And it is very satisfying when you do. There, we're getting it. Okay, yeah, we got her. All right, so pull that off, and here's a tip. You can use this to make your own homemade chewing gum. I'm just kidding, that's disgusting, don't do that. Throw that shit away. All right, time to make the rub. This one's great because it uses a lot of smoked paprika, which is something you want because we're cooking these in the oven and you want to have a smoky barbecue flavor. So this one's great for that. I will leave the recipe in the description below. I like to add some apple cider vinegar to the rub. Makes it easier to apply, gives the ribs a nice tangy flavor, and helps tenderize them when they're cooking in the onion. In the oven. Time to slather my meat. Mine's too big, so I need to cut it in half so it'll fit in my oven. But if you can fit yours, then I guess that's good on you. In any event, slather both sides of the meat generously with your rub mixture. Then lay it meat side down on the dull side of a big piece of aluminum foil. You want the shiny side out. Wrap that up good and tight, and then do the same thing to the other half. Unless you didn't need to cut yours. Alright, so once you've rubbed down your meat, wrapped her up good in foil, all you gotta do is put it in an oven, preheated to 250 degrees. Bam, middle rack, and about 3 hours. We'll come and check on it in 3 hours, and then we'll take it out. We'll brush it with some barbecue sauce, and this is gonna be frickin' delicious. Don't forget to drink your beer. All right, see you in a little bit. All right, it's been about 3 hours. I've had several beers. Time to take the ribs out of the oven. You wanna be very careful. They're gonna be very hot, and they're gonna be very juicy. So open up your foil, and you'll see you have a pool of kind of greasy fat stuff. You wanna throw all that away. So once you've thrown all that away, take your ribs and put them back into the pan. Put them meat side up and choose your favorite barbecue sauces for slathering. The name of this clip is Slather Me Daddy. I keep laughing about it. Anyway, so slather them up. I'm using two kinds of barbecue sauce. One special hot barbecue sauce from Vermont and Sweet Baby Ray's, which I love. So slather them up good, and now you're gonna put them back into the oven. You're gonna raise the temperature to 400 degrees, and they're gonna be in there for about an hour. You wanna check them, and when they're really coming away from the bone, you're done. All right, it's been an hour, and they are done. Oh, fuck. Fall off the bone, bitch. What is this? What is this? Oh, fucking bone. That looks delicious. Oh, yeah. I made this delicious looking meat pile, which I'm excited to eat. Oh my god, I'm really excited to eat. Boomer's drunk. Oh, Boomer's drunk. I'm not a boomer. I'm not a boomer.
You are drunk.
But I am drunk. Alright, I think we'll end this here. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!